Hello, guys. My name is Ekato Christian Saze, and you are welcome to the Real Talks Nigeria. Quickly, today let us talk about the 17th out of 64 ways to make money in Nigeria. We started this series way back, and we so far have talked about 16 ways to make money in Nigeria. We have talked about goal setting, relationships building, seeking opportunities, wisdom, and we have equally talked about talents, time. We've talked about habits, and of course, we've also talked about the role that money played in making money in Nigeria. And then, of course, we've also talked about the role that faith plays in making money. So, quickly, let us look at the 17th of the 64 ways to make money. One way to make money is to understand the role of power to get money or power to get wealth. Power is the ability to get things done. So to make money, you need power. Power. It could be political power, economic power, academic power, intellectual power. It could be digital, it could be physical. Whatever form that power takes, if you have that power, you would be able to make money, no matter where you find yourself in Nigeria or in the world. There are two forms of power that excite me a lot. That is power as a form of knowledge. Remember, people say that knowledge is power. Some others have said that no, knowledge is not power, but application of knowledge in the right direction is power. Somebody said, power is power and knowledge is knowledge. Crazy. But the truth is this: I have discovered that there is something or someone that we must always remember when it comes to making money. And that has to do with God. Because in Deuteronomy chapter 8, verse 18, we are told that God, he said, we should remember the Lord our God, for it is He that gives us power to get wealth. He gives power to get wealth. It means that wealth on its own would not just walk into your life or walk into your house. You need power to get it. And that money is something that you can get, but you need power to get money. In short, I believe that you need power to get power. And when you get the power, you need power to get wealth. And when you get the wealth, you need power to grow the wealth, to retain the wealth. Power, not energy. Power, not force. The power to get wealth is a gift from our Creator, who really understands what wealth is, what power is, what get is, and what He Himself is to us. Remember the Lord your God, for it is He that gives you power to get wealth. If you don't have wealth today, if you don't have money today, I would encourage you to go to God in prayer, to go to God meditating, to go to God with a sense of expectation. What you expect is wealth. What you expect is riches. What you expect is money. But he's saying that to get it, he said you need power. And himself is the source of power. Without faith, it is impossible to please God who gives the power to get wealth. Whatever amount of money that you need today, I encourage you to seek the power equivalent of the amount of money that you desire. If you want 1 naira, a 1 naira power can help you get 1 naira. If you need 10 naira, a 10 naira power will help you get 10 naira. If you need 1 million naira, it's not a matter of time, it's a matter of power. A 1 million naira power can help you get 1 million naira. Do you think that a 1 naira power bank can power 1 million naira project? The answer is no. So the money equivalent that you desire calls for you to reach out for the power equivalent of that kind of money. The economy may be bad, but the economy is not the reason why you are down. The environment may be horrible, but the environment is not the reason why you are down. Remember, there is no environment that cannot be reconditioned. If the current condition of your environment is not helping you to create wealth, the current condition of your environment is not helping you to get money, recondition the environment, but it begins with the use of your mind. Yesterday, I was watching a program on YouTube and I heard a strange word. In short, I used to think, and I've always agreed, that that ideas rule the world. But this fellow was saying, funny enough, was a lady. She said that the people that have ideas are the people that rule the world. Ideas rule the world. Yes, true. But the people that have the ideas are the people that rule the world. So the people that have money and the people that have ideas about how to have money, who is more powerful? The people that have the ideas on how to make money are far more important than the people that have money, because they could have gotten the money either by stolen means or by inheritance or by working. But if you have ideas on how to make money, you would always make the kind of money that the ideas can produce. You may lose the money, but the idea on how to make money, you've not lost it. The ideas on how to make money, you have not lost it. So I encourage you to be a person that is able to generate ideas that can make money. If you want 1 million naira, you don't need 1 million ideas. You simply need an idea that has the power to create the power to get 1 million naira equivalent of that 1 million naira idea. If you want 100,000 naira, you need one idea. Okay? Just one idea on how to make 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira ideas can help you produce 100,000 naira. Don't forget, power is the ability to get things done. And in the same video I told you about, I was watching, the person that was being abused equally said something. She said, in the hierarchy of value, that imagination comes before communication. So the people that imagine those ideas, if they are able to communicate those ideas to the right people at the right time in the right place, they would always be seen as the highest contributors to the environment or the community where they find themselves. So be a person of strong imagination. Use your imaginations to make money. Let your imagination become a power base and a power bank for making money so that we, with our imagination, can take our nation out of the situation in which we have found ourselves and work hard never to get back to the conditions that created the problem that we currently have. So the 17th way out of the 64 ways to make money is power. Build your power base. Build the capacity to use your imaginative power to make money in any part of Nigeria where you find yourself. Even if you are in the village, you are in the town, you are in the city, urban area, rural area, the imagination has no limit to what it is capable of doing. That you are a Nigerian living in Nigeria is not the reason you cannot make money from outside Nigeria. With the power of the digital economy, you can tap into the current digital economy that is in trillions of dollars. I encourage you to develop your imaginative power. Use your imagination to make money in Nigeria from Nigeria. My name is Ehato Christian Osaze, and I hope that you have learned something today. Until we come your way again, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, The Real Talks Nigeria, I encourage you to subscribe. I encourage you to make comments, to pass comments, to share this video, to like this video. And then, of course, you can follow us on Instagram, Christmas, and then you can follow us on X, that's formerly known as Twitter, The Real Talks NG. Okay, follow us on Facebook, Christmas Lagos, Christmas Collections. Until I come your way again, stay blessed and don't forget, you can be 10 times better on daily basis. And that brings me to our forthcoming program, the Lagos Productivity Seminar, that is coming up on the 30th of the month of November 2024 by 10 p.m. in the city of Lagos at the National Library of Nigeria, Yaba, Lagos. By 10 a.m. the last Saturday of the month, this month, November 30th by 10 a.m. Join us at the National Library of Nigeria, where we'll be sharing with you how to make 1 naira or more in the city of Lagos. See you there. You will also have the link to register for this workshop, christmas.com/productivity. You can find it on the description of this video. All right. See you at the top. God bless you. Bye.